This is a review of the Vamtac Y2K jersey that we are going to be doing a test fit on, in which the brand sent me out this product as a gift that we are going to be putting this to a test to. And in this test fit, we are going to wear this on and show you guys more in depth about this jersey. So without going any further, let's wear this on and show you guys more in depth about it. Okay, so here's the finished results. We have it on the test fit, and I do want to say that this material is extremely comfortable, and when I mean it, I seriously mean it. And the reason why I say so is because if you look up carefully and close as I zoom in right over here, you can see this material is very breathable, and it's like a mesh material, pretty much like a net, as you guys can see. So if you're wearing this during the summertime, it's extremely breathable, and you're not going to get hot or anything like that. The material of this is really soft and comfortable, and I love the material on the inside as well too. The inner material is extremely comfortable and soft. And one thing I also love about this jersey as well too, that you can pair it up with pretty much anything. Like, what I mean by that is that you can pair it up with black pants underneath, the blue jeans like right over here, and then after that you can pair it up with the hat. And as you guys know, the World Cup series is going on, and this is perfect to wear, especially for this type of occasion. You can also wear this for like a concert as well too, any type of occasion, a party or anything like that, or like I told you guys before, the World Cup series as well. And I would definitely recommend this jersey. And what I'm going to do now is that I'm going to do like a walk around to show you guys the front side and the back side. And just like that, it looks absolutely beautiful, especially when you pair it up with something like blue jeans with the, a watch or even like a hat or something like that. I would definitely recommend this jersey, and this is, for the sizing charts and everything like that. I would definitely recommend to size up, considering that this is a jersey as well. This is a size large, and I'm about 5'10", and my weight's about 165 pounds. So that right there lets you guys know for the size charting. If you are bigger than that, then I would definitely recommend to like size up. But I would definitely recommend this jersey if you are looking for a jersey to wear during the summertime, the Y2K World Cup series, or just for like a fashion wise as well too. This jersey right over here is probably one of the best jerseys to get, and so far I am happy with this product, considering the fact that it's breathable material, so you're not going to get hot in the summer. And yeah, if you're looking for a jersey to wear during the summer, this right over here is probably one of the best ones to get, and I would definitely recommend this product.